Tensions are rising in the Red Sea as U.S. naval forces move to heightened combat readiness. The USS Abraham Lincoln Carrier Strike Group has increased flight deck operations in response to growing regional instability. Carrier-based aircraft, including the F-35 Lightning II and the F/A-18 Super Hornet, are being armed with substantial stocks of precision-guided weapons. Among the munitions prepared are large numbers of Joint Direct Attack Munition Kits, commonly known as JDAMs. JDAM is not a missile, but a guidance package that converts unguided bombs into highly accurate weapons. By combining GPS and inertial navigation, JDAM enables precise strikes in all weather conditions while reducing collateral damage.
Didn't know how much you saw with the Bombay door.
I was going to say that was going to take
Oh, you guys have never done that, huh?
Yeah.
In addition to JDAM-equipped bombs, U.S. aircraft in the region are carrying AGM-series air-to-ground missiles. These weapons are designed for precision attacks against surface targets, such as radar sites, hardened positions, and high-value assets. AGM missiles allow engagement from standoff ranges, limiting exposure to enemy air defense systems.
Bring it up. Don't be in the back. Bring it up. Come on. Put it up. Just right there.
All right, so look at where your hands at.
For air superiority and self-defense, fighter aircraft are equipped with the AIM-7 Sparrow. This medium-range, radar-guided air-to-air missile is intended to engage hostile aircraft beyond visual range. Although an older design, the AIM-7 remains effective when employed as part of a layered air combat strategy. The Red Sea remains a strategically critical corridor for global trade and military transit. Carrier aviation provides rapid response capability without reliance on land-based airfields, enabling the USS Abraham Lincoln to function as a mobile airbase in international waters. U.S. officials stress that the deployment is defensive in nature, focused on deterrence and the protection of international shipping lanes. As the situation continues to evolve, flight operations remain active under elevated alert conditions. Weapon systems are positioned for rapid employment, while diplomatic efforts proceed alongside military preparedness. Maintaining the balance between deterrence and escalation remains a key concern in this closely monitored security environment.
He's swinging.